In this clear, dry morning of Monday, December 9th, 2024, as you can see, there are four vehicles involved in this accident: a full-size GMC, pickup truck, Sedona minivan, a Kia Sportage SUV, and a mid-size Nissan pickup truck. It's on Westtown Road and where it meets US-202, but right exactly at the entrance of Wesley Court in Westchester, Pennsylvania, as I mentioned. I have no explanation how the pickup truck landed on top of the roof of the minivan, because it's only a 40 mile per hour speed limit. And this area, this patch of the road is between a stop sign and a stoplight. But I have no explanation for that, but just pay attention when you drive. Thank you for watching.